Welcome to the Microsoft Cloud Option webinar series. My name is Vivek Bhatnagar. I am a CTO and founder for UnifyCloud. I would like to spend a little bit more time on defining and prioritizing the workload. Uh, so this slide, typically in the context of cloud option, a workload is nothing but a collection of IT assets. And again, IT asset means servers, VM, application, data, or appliances, anything. So any of these collection call as a workload, and the workload might be supporting a process in an organization, maybe like invoicing or anything that collectively and and this and that's what when we say we are moving a workload, actually we are moving a process to the cloud. And a lot more time, a workload can support maybe more than one process, and it might be part of multiple processes and other things. So it may be complex, but workload is a collection of assets for our simplicity. Um, Typically, this is in the slide. You can see that we listed down all the activities you need and to migrate and move a workload. But on the left-hand side, it will list down all sorts of technical and business reasons that you have to go through before you decide which workload will go first and which workload will go next. But I highly recommend that we should, even if you know that you should very formally document workload names, description, what is the primary motivation to move that workload, who is the primary sponsor from business side, who is the business team leader, who is the business stakeholder, who is the business outcome manager, who is basically impacting it, which geography it is going to go. All these are business reasons, and they all are very much relevant whenever you look at any of the workload. Similarly, technical reasons like what compliances do we need, like what kind of SLAs we need. SLA means service level agreements. Like, do we need a typically like 29, 39, 49 type of thing? How critical the data is, like, is it how much impact it's going to have on business? Have we classified data into confidential or non-confidential type of thing? Which are the geographies it is going to go, and do we have any special compliances for geographies? Like if it is going to Europe, then you have to have a GDPR and other thing. So this is again like going through all these factors and then decide about the workload prioritization and the first thing to go. My suggestion is always like move a easier workload first. So always try to move things and use the learning to move the complex workloads.